Midjourney has just shattered expectations with its groundbreaking AI video model, where other tools like Google Veo 3 produce stiff, artificial results. This creates genuine cinematic magic. Imagine transforming any image into a breathtaking 20-second film with human expression so authentic, camera movement so dynamic, you'd swear it was shot by professionals. The magic happens in seconds. Upload your photo, choose between subtle low-motion elegance or high-energy action, and watch your creation come alive with stunning detail, from the flutter of eyelids to the ripple of fabric. At just $60 a month for unlimited generations, it's democratizing filmmaking, putting Hollywood-quality animation in everyone's hands. While competitors struggle with robotic outputs, Midjourney delivers soulful, emotionally resonant videos that tell real stories. This isn't just another AI tool. It's the dawn of a new creative era where anyone can be a filmmaker, where ideas leap off the page into moving masterpieces, and where the only limit is your imagination. The future of video creation isn't coming. It's already here, and it's waiting for you to press play.